Cca Hi-Fi sent me these earphones and our deal is just to make a quick unboxing video for TikTok, but these earphones are just too good for just that, so I figure I should make a full review video. As per usual guys, we'll check its physical overview, features, do some mic tests, and more. We'll tell you everything you need to know coming up. So what do we get inside the box? Obviously the earphones themselves, the detachable cable with the built-in microphone, silicone ear tips with different sizes, and the manual. Now let's check out some physical overview. So the build is mostly plastic with transparent texture showing the internal parts of the earphones. It has a shiny silver texture which I'm not a fan of since it is a fingerprint magnet. The speakers are quite larger than usual and we have this plug where you will attach the detachable cable. The detachable cable is also transparent and you can see the wires inside, and it has a length around 3 feet. This is the male plug where you plug the earphones, and it has an inline control with a single button and a mic pickup. Lastly, it has a TRRS 3.5mm jack input. I guess that's all. Now let's check out some features. So this one has an high-res audio with satisfying tuning, ergonomic design for comfort, detachable cable, which is a good thing since you can easily replace it when it's no longer working. I'll place a link in the description if you need that cable replacement. It also has an HD microphone with zinc alloy housing. I guess that's all that there is. Now let's talk about the sound quality. I know this is very affordable earphones and you might think that the sound quality is terrible, but it is actually good. When positioned correctly, the sound of the bass is very good but not overpowering. The mids are fine, making the sound complete, but the high frequency is +1 too much for my taste. The highs are not overpowering, it's just that you have to lower the volume at times, especially in vocal conversation. For the sound quality of this earphone, I'll give it an 8.7 out of 10. Now before we talk about the sound quality of the built-in mic, let's test it out first. So this is the sound of the built-in microphone of the Cca Cra earphones without post-processing. Check 1 2 3 4 sound check mic test 1 2 3 4. Let me know in the comment section below if you like what you're hearing. So the mic doesn't have a noise cancellation, so you can hear everything in the background, though it is clear and sounds good enough for casual conversation. It needed a little bit of gain because the mic volume is too low. So I guess for the mic quality, I'll give this a 5.2 out of 10. As for the build quality, the plasticky build is okay, but just don't drop it since it looks very fragile and this will definitely break if you drop it. I don't like the silver texture part because it looks terrible with the fingerprint all over it. The silicone ear tips are nice though, so I guess I'll give this a 7.3 out of 10. For the comfort quality, the shape is ergonomic and the earphones actually sits nicely on your ears. The shape of the cable also helps with the earphones to stay in its place, so I guess I'll give this a 7.10 for its comfort quality. Now let's move into the conclusion and let me talk about the things that I don't like about the earphones. My only problem with these earphones is the silver texture fingerprint magnet part. I really hate this material for any earphones or headphones alike. To Cca Hi-Fi, please stop using this type of material and also stop using the glossy material as well. It looks nice when it's clean, but it looks terrible over time. If there's anything I like about the earphones is the sound quality. It is one of the best for its price. Good bass, perfect mids, and the highs are fine with certain music, movies, and games. Just be careful since the audio comes in very hot and might hurt your ears if the volume is set too much. I love the detachable cable since you can replace it when it breaks. If you're still using the earphones with cables permanently attached, then you're missing a lot. You should just get one of these. I like the transparent housing, different silicone ear tips included, the ergonomic design, and most of all, the price for its performance. This is really good. Anyway, if you'll ask me if I'll recommend this, well, that is a yes, especially if you are in a budget and needed an earphones with detachable cable, good sound with built-in microphone. If you want one of these, you should check out the links in the description, and if you think this earphones is not for you, you should check out the other earphone reviews we have on your screen. So that's it guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.